Hey there, fellow travelers, it's me, Dan Ramos, ready to embark on an adventure without the usual head scratching? In today's video, I'm taking you with me to the Cubao Fiesta Carnival. I've been hearing so much about it, and I'm super excited to see what all the hype is about.
So hi guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Fiesta Carnival. So, itutur ko kayo and ano nga ba yung mga mapapansin nyo or makikita nyo dito. So, see you later!
So, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe! Fiesta Carnival is an indoor amusement park located in Araneta City, Cubao, Quezon City, Philippines. It offers a variety of thrilling rides, games, and attractions for all ages, including classic carnival games, exciting rides like the mini pirate ship and mini Ferris wheel, and family-friendly attractions like the carousel and the bump cars. You can also indulge in delicious carnival food and experience the nostalgic atmosphere of this beloved amusement park. There are 3 ways to get there. First, taking a Grab. Second, taking a taxi. And third is taking MRT or the train. So yan guys, as you can see, nandito tayo ngayon sa MRT and sasakay tayo ng train papuntang Araneta Cubao Station. So yan na guys. So bale, galing kami sa Shaw Boulevard and then bababa tayo sa may Araneta Cubao. So hi guys, finally we're here at Araneta Cubao Station. So pasok lang tayo dito sa mall and then baba kayo tapos matatanaw nyo na dito yung Fiesta Carnival. So guys, ayan, kitang-kita na natin yung Fiesta Carnival and tatawid na lang tayo. Welcome to Fiesta Carnival. So guys, ano pang ginagawa natin? Tara, pasukin natin ang Fiesta Carnival. So titingnan natin dito guys kung ano nga ba yung makikita natin once na nagpunta kayo dito sa may Fiesta Carnival. And sa mga magtatanong pala guys, ang entrance fee dito ay free. Meaning to say, wala kayong babayaran once na nagpunta kayo dito. Ang mga babayaran nyo lang guys is yung mga rides and activities na itatry nyo. Which is ipa-plus ko mamaya yung presyo. And yan guys, may second floor sila and titignan din natin kung ano nga bang meron dun sa second floor nila. But first, mag-tour muna tayo dito sa my first floor nila. So guys, ito yung unang-unang makikita nyo, yung We Jump Trampoline Park and it costs 499 pesos each person.
Tell me it's not like you to come home cautious.
And sa kabilang side naman pala guys is meron tayong parang arcade dito. Dito nyo makikita yung billiards, bowling, and other stuff. So yan guys, bali magkabilaan lang sila. Sa left side, dun nakalagay yung arcades and sa kabila naman is yung trampoline or yung We Jump. So yan guys, and punta muna tayo dun sa dulo. Next guys, meron naman tayo ditong roller skate and it will cost you 349 pesos each person. So guys, kung napagod naman kayo, may mga massaging chair naman tayo na pwede nyong itry. And next one, meron tayo nito for kids siya. So this is the soft playground which is 150 pesos for 20 minutes. So guys, kung gusto niyo namang matry itong mga electric carnival nila is kailangan yung mag-top up, which is kailangan ng card dito na maa-avail sa mga counters nila. So yan guys, another billiards and mga flashy if mahilig kayo. By the way guys, dito maganda mag-picture dyan. So yan guys, ang pwede nyong mga panalunan, iba't ibang mga toys or plushies na pwede nyong makuha once na manalo kayo dito. So guys, dito pala located yung mga restrooms nila. So after natin dyan guys, punta naman tayo sa kabilang side, which is dun sa kabilang dulo naman. Titignan natin kung ano ba yung meron dun. And as you can see naman kanina guys, is yun yung mga laruan. And other rides na pwedeng pang kids and adults. So guys, ito yung space if gusto nyong mag-roller skate. So guys, we're here sa may Electric Carnival and dito tayo papasok. And ang starts nga pala nito is 349 pesos. Ito yung mga games na pwede nyong i-avail once na nag-top up kayo dito. So guys, tignan natin kung ano ba yung mga games na pwede nyong i-try dito.
Every time we had an issue and it caused for us to miss moments that we can't get back. I wish that these moments didn't pass too fast. Only a memory lasts.
So, meron din sila guys ditong bowling and billiard.
Get our memories back, yeah. To get our memories back.
By the way guys, meron din pala sila ditong photo booth na pwede nyong i-try, especially if gusto nyo ng may remembrance kayo. So guys, after nating makalabas sa Electric Carnival, punta naman tayo dito sa mga games nila. So meron tayong balloon pop. Ayan guys, iba't ibang mga games na pwede nyo i-try. So itong basketball.
I wish that these moments didn't pass too fast. Only a memory lasts. Wish I could go back in time to get our memories back.
So guys, ito yung another ride na pwede nyong i-try, pero hindi ko na alam kung magkano ito. Pero mostly guys, around 60 pesos naman nag-start yung mga rides nila. And syempre meron tayo ditong bomb car. So guys, for 60 pesos, within 5 minutes, pwede nyo na kayong mag-play ng bomb car dito with your friends or family. If may nakita kayong mga ticketing booths na ganito guys, is dito kayo kukuha ng ticket para sa rides and games na lalaruhin nyo. Another ride guys, itong Rev and Roll. Another game guys, itong Ball Battle City. Next, go-kart. We also have the Little Chicken Team, Boat Pool, Soft Playground. We also have the Snow Playground, 120 for 15 minutes. Jurassic Adventure, 150 pesos for 15 minutes. Another game, Lobster Pot. Our ultimate favorite ride, the Carousel, 60 pesos per ride. Speed Star, it costs 60 pesos per ride. World Trip, it costs 60 pesos per ride. We also have the Tiger Train, Hook Adapt Game, Walking Dino, 90 pesos per ride. Mini Ferris wheel, 60 pesos per ride. Mini pirate ship, 60 pesos per ride. So guys, now let's go to the second floor.
Nyo dito sa may second floor nila, which is parking area. So yan guys, bago na tayo.
So guys, here are some of my tips if pupunta kayo dito sa may Carnival Fiesta. So guys, first of all, dapat mag-wear kayo ng comfortable shoes and comfortable clothes. Especially at madaming activities and rides kayo na pwedeng i-try dito sa Carnival Fiesta Carnival. My second tip guys is dapat magdala kayo ng water nyo and stay hydrated. Kasi guys, kahit na yung area nito is hindi siya mainit, like naka-aircon kasi ito since indoor yung place or indoor yung amusement, kailangan yung magdala ng water. Syempre guys, papagudin kayo sa kakalaro and kakasakay sa mga rides. So ito guys yung mga rates ng iba pang mga rides na pwede nyo i-try. So guys, it's time for us to try some of the rides. So as you can see guys, nandito tayo sa may ticketing booth nila and bibili tayo ng ticket para subukan yung World Trip Ride. So let's see guys kung maganda ba yung ride na yon, kung worth it ba. So yan na guys, nakabili na kami and yan, tamang picture lang. So yan guys, bago mag-start yung ride is minimake sure muna ng mga staff if okay lang ba yung pagkakalagay sa'yo ng parang seatbelt nila. And yung rate ko dito is like 8 out of 10. Parang ano lang siya guys, para ka lang kinikiliti, ganun. So we're done guys. Now let's try the other ride. So itong Speed Star.
Is it quite right if I say I miss you while I'm with you? 'Cause I don't know when I won't get that chance again. Is it quite right if I say I forgive every time we had an issue and it caused for us to miss moments that we can't get back? I wish that these moments didn't pass too fast, 'cause it's gone, only a memory left. Wish I could go back in time to get our memories back. Get our memories back, yeah. To get our memories back.
So that's it guys, we're done na sa may Fiesta Carnival and pauwi na tayo guys. So ito guys yung dalawang restaurant na magiging clue nyo papunta sa may MRT. Kung saan kayo papunta, dun din kayo papalabas. So yan guys, yan yung labas na yan papunta sa may MRT. Exploring the Fiesta Carnival in Cubao was a delightful reminder of the simple joys in life. It brought back a wave of childhood nostalgia with the vibrant lights and the thrill of rides, witnessing families enjoying themselves, laughter echoing throughout the air. These kinds of plays help us to appreciate the little things and cherish the memories made with loved ones. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey. I hope you enjoyed exploring Fiesta Carnival with me. Now I want to hear from you. What's your favorite carnival ride? Let me know in the comments below. If you love this adventure, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tales. Where should I go next? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep wandering and discovering the beauty the world has to offer. Safe travels!